Old power panel TV for used. See, it is failure. I take a market available in market. I bring this power panel. See here, 3 amps, 9 volts, same power. See, 3 amps, 9 volts. See, same as it is. First we connected new panel, power panel. Once checking, see, power cable connecting. Okay, data control board power cable connecting. Okay, now we connect power supply. I will give power supply. See here, remote on started. See here, light is blinking. Light is blinking. Okay, it will okay. I will connect and totally fitting screen and properly I will board will be fitting. See, I will fitting screws. Okay, now screen connecting power cables. One, screen powers are connected. Okay, now we checking screen working or not. See here indicating. I will take a remote, just on. Screen will be on. Okay, it's working. I will stop. See, screen off. Now again on. See, screen on. Totally I will fix this.